हेलो माय फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। आप सभी लोगों को स्वागत है मेरे क्लास में। सो टुडे is very important topic. I'm going to teach you about Russian language. So Russian language is writing part is very important. Whenever you are seeing that, last time also I showed you in the book that printed form is totally different, and then Russian writes in totally different manner. Okay, so here can you see on the screen here that letter is there. This all letter here you can see are the capital letter and small letters, but these all are in written form. तो ये रशियन लोग जो क्या करते हैं, लिखते टोटली डिफरेंट है, और जब बुक में जब प्रिंटेड होता है, न्यूज़पेपर में प्रिंटेड होता है, वो सभी डिफरेंट होते हैं, बट लिखते हैं डिफरेंटली है। तो आज इसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। ओके, और सबसे पहले मैं ये बता देता हूँ कि आप लास्ट तक बने रहिए इस क्लास में, क्योंकि अगर आप लिखना एक बार सीख गए तो फिर आप कहीं भी जाकर ऐसे पढ़ सकते हैं कि कैसा क्या लिखा हुआ है। ठीक है, अदरवाइज आप सिर्फ बुकिश में जो प्रिंटेड फॉर्म में है अगर वो रहा, तो ये वाला फॉर्म में अगर दिखा आपको, देन यू विल नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज दैट व्हाट इज रिटन इन रशियन। सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो डोंट मिस। और ये पीडीएफ जो मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, ये सामने जो दिख रहा है, ये पीडीएफ मैं आपको प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा व्हाट्सएप पे, क्योंकि मैं अभी उतना टेक्नोलॉजी अडॉप्ट नहीं किया हूँ, मैं न्यू क्लास शुरू किया हूँ, तो कैसे लिंक में देना है पीडीएफ वगैरह वो मुझे आइडिया नहीं है। आई विल गिव यू माई व्हाट्सएप नंबर, देन यू कैन मैसेज मी, देन यू विल गेट टू नो, you will get it, this pdf. So let's start that how we are writing, or Russians are writing this. Okay, so this is the left side, you can see this is the capital letter, capital. Okay, capital letter. This is the small letter. Small letter. So in AB, like in English alphabet also, a small abcd, capital abcd, like that it is there, right? So similarly here they are also using it. So now I will write you the fastly. Okay, you just understand how I'm writing, and then how you need to practice. So practice it is here on the right. तो आप ये ऐसा कर सकते हैं जैसे 4 लाइन वाला पहले आता था हमारी इंग्लिश की जो राइटिंग लिखने के लिए, वो वैसा ही है। आप इसको प्रिंट करके और इसको में प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो लेट्स गो हेड। just see how I'm writing. See, I have more practice, so I without stopping I can write. Okay, see, like that, but you need to like write, repeat. See, I'm writing like this. This is be. I'm writing like that, but here is the correct one. You need to practice which is on the right side. Okay, so practice it. This is like that. This one I'm writing like this. Okay, but you need to practice like that. This is where. 1 second, I will write it again. This is our, sorry, in one flow I can write it. Okay, but you can just learn like this. This is the small v, which is in English looks like b, small b. Another one, this is gay, gay. So gay, how I'm writing like that. Okay, like that, but you need to practice it like this. Okay, this is I'm writing like this, people will understand. Okay, whoever is Russian there, so they will understand correctly what I'm writing. You can see how I'm writing there. So there you need to practice. 1 second, sorry, this is, you need to practice like that. Okay, first start from here, go to here, and then here. This one in English looks like G, but this is there, right? Small there, small. I'm writing like that, but you need to practice like this. This is A. Okay, E in English, but here this is A. Hmm? Okay, practice it. This is small A. Hmm? Now this one is Yo. Yo. Yo is capital one, is look like this. You need to practice like this, and this is the correct one. Hmm. Now this is Z. हाँ, ज झंकार वाला ज बिंदी थोड़ा लगा के. But I'm writing like this. People will understand, but you need to practice exactly correctly like this. Okay, how people are writing. Hmm. See the small one. I'm writing like that, but don't follow mine. Okay, because I have lots of practice. So this is in flow. It's going like that. But how perfectly you need to learn like this. This perfect one. The small j. This is simple j. So this one is j. This is Hersey. I. Okay, E. So E whenever I'm writing like this. Okay, but you need to also practice like that. Here you can see the small E. Okay, you need to practice like this. This is Dirghai, double I. Here will be चांद थोड़ा सा ऊपर लगा देते हैं. Another the small one is like that I'm writing, but you need to practice like this. I will give you PDF, don't worry. Now you see how I'm writing. This is the more practice when you are doing. Okay, sorry, again just I will try to like write like that. See, this is mine, but you can repeat. Here the perfect is like that. This is bukwa L. L. Not lo इसको बोलते हैं. I'm writing like this. You can the small one. See, this is M. You can write it like this. Just practice it. Okay, don't write the wrong one. Okay, always practice and makes perfect yourself. How I'm writing now. So this all comes through practice only. Okay, so you can see here. This is what? This is H look like, but this is not H. No, right? Practice it. I'm just not going perfectly, just repeat it, but you need to write exactly how it's look like. This is ande jaisa, right? Oh, so practice it. Okay, so this is the one. This is pe, which I'm writing like this, but you need to practice like this. Now you can see like English letter N. Practice differently. Then this one is R, but not R. 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 हाँ ऐसे वाला. So let's write how people are writing. The small one is I'm writing like this. But here you need to practice like this. श स नॉर्मल वाला श. ठीक है श. दंती से बोल शकतो. Sorry, the original one. I'm writing like this. People are understanding also this thing. This is te. Te. Hmm. You can practice it. तीन डंडे लगाने हैं इधर से. Or this is look like M, but this is small te. Okay. So I need to also write like this. This one is like that. Hmm? Got it? Now you can see this is letter looks like in English Y, but this is not Y. This is U. Hmm. So U is like that, but you need to practice. Okay, like this. You can see. But here you need to practice correctly. But people will understand. If I'm writing like this, people will understand. And I know that you need to write like this. Okay. F. Hmm? What I'm writing, so that this is also correct one. I'm writing sometime like this, but this is the correct one. This is the correct one. This is the X. X in English, but this is kha kha. This one is fa. This one is fa fa f. This is kha. खालिस्तान खालिस्तान हा हा хорошо. ऐसा करके. This is the small kha. Another you can see this letter is sa. Okay, I'm writing like this, but you don't write. Practice it. Make yourself perfect. I'm writing like this, but you can go ahead. This is sh, talab sh. Okay, so people is so you need to practice it, then you will be perfect in the writing. So this is another half सा. मतलब ऐसे करके जब हम वर्ड बताएंगे then you will understand. Okay, correct pronunciation of this. I'm writing like this, but you need to practice like that. This is the soft sign. No, sorry. This one is not soft sign. This one is a hard sign. Okay, this is the hard sign. So hard sign always I'm writing like this, but you need to practice like that. This is ui. Ui. I will write like this. You need to practice similar. Can see. This is again. I will write that this is the soft sign. Soft sign. So it will be like this. I will write. Okay, but you can practice like this. Another you can see this is letter A, but in writing form the first letter when we are writing any name or something like that. Okay, so this we are going to use A. Okay, so A is like this. Practice it. The small A. This one is U, but you need to practice. Sorry. I'm just trying some time to perfect. This one is yeah, which I'm writing. Another you can see the same. Small one is yeah. Then I'm writing like this. So this is very beautiful language. I will just write you for you. Okay, one sentence how it looks like. Okay, are you recognizing? ये कैसा लग रहा है? प्रिंटेड फॉर्म में टोटली डिफरेंट, रिटन फॉर्म टोटली डिफरेंट। क्या आप पहचान पा रहे हो? नहीं। तो ये अगर सीख रहे हो तो बहुत अच्छा है। आप सीक्रेटली कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट में, बहुत सारा आईबी का आता है, उसमें भी रिक्वायरमेंट होता है job ka, but there is more opportunity. Okay, so when you will learn Russian, then you will get to know, okay, there is lots of opportunity in India as well in foreign other countries. Okay, CIS countries are there, Russia also, so you have lots of opportunity. I will tell you later on. So if you have interest, you can learn it. Okay, so just see how I'm writing. Okay, this line I will write this above one. Okay, तो सी मैं कैसे लिख रहा हूँ आप देखो. 1 second, sorry, I will just try. Okay. Hmm? Okay, so से जे इश्यो एचिक. ओके, इश्यो एचिक म्याकिक. तो मैं जो लिखा हूँ और ये जो लिखा हूँ सेम है, बट आप देखो